I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start dropshipping for completely free. That's right, no money down whatsoever. Welcome to Doba's YouTube tutorial series, where we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce without breaking the bank. I'm excited to guide you through this step-by-step process. Whether you've been eager to kickstart your dropshipping journey but unsure where to begin, or you're working with a tight budget, this video is tailored just for you. We're breaking it down into 4 easy-to-follow steps to simplify your path to dropshipping success. Remember to stick around till the end of the video because we've prepared a special surprise for you all. Also, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure in the world of dropshipping. Let's dive in. Step 1. Product research. First off, we need to decide what kind of products we want to sell and what criteria we should consider. Choosing the right products is key to success. We're looking for items that either have a compelling wow factor or provide practical value to consumers. The wow factor is that immediate appeal that makes a product irresistible. Think of innovative gadgets or unique items that catch people's attention instantly. On the other hand, products that provide value, solve a problem, or make life easier for customers. For instance, products like smart home devices or time-saving tools fit into this category well. It's also beneficial to tap into your personal knowledge or interests. If you're passionate about a certain hobby or industry, you can leverage that insight to identify niche products that resonate with potential customers. Now, let's explore the tools at our disposal for effective product research. Here, I'd like to recommend 2 powerful tools at our disposal: YouTube and TikTok. YouTube isn't just for entertainment. It's a goldmine for product research. You can discover trending products through product review channels, unboxing videos, and best-of compilations. These videos often highlight what's popular and what consumers are excited about. For example, search for terms like best-selling products or top trending items in your niche. Pay attention to videos with high views and engagement, as they indicate consumer interest. You might also find niche-specific channels that cater to your target market, offering valuable insights into what's hot right now. Now let's switch gears to TikTok, another dynamic platform for product discovery. TikTok's algorithm showcases viral trends and products that are gaining traction. Use hashtags like TikTok made me buy it to explore what products are trending and capturing people's attention. Here's a pro tip. Filter your TikTok search results by the newest videos with high engagement. These are often the products that are currently generating buzz and could be profitable for dropshipping. If you're targeting a specific niche, customize your search by adding niche-related hashtags. For example, if you're interested in pet products, search for hashtags like TikTok made me buy it dogs to see what's trending in the pet industry. By leveraging YouTube and TikTok, you can gather valuable insights into consumer preferences and emerging trends without spending a dime. Beyond these platforms, you can also utilize specialized dropshipping platforms to streamline your process, such as Doba. Doba offers products across categories like home, garden and tools, beauty and health, outdoors, sports, pets, electronics, and more. In addition, it provides a wealth of resources including articles and videos that guide you on how to succeed in dropshipping. Step 2. Choosing your supplier. Now that we've identified potential products, the next step is to find reliable suppliers. It's crucial to partner with suppliers who can deliver orders swiftly to ensure your customers receive their items promptly. In today's fast-paced e-commerce environment, waiting 1 to 2 months for deliveries is simply not acceptable. Ideally, aim for shipping times of 2 weeks or less. When vetting suppliers, there are several key qualifications to consider. Firstly, check their reviews, not just for the products they offer, but also for their overall service. Look for suppliers with a substantial number of reviews, ideally 50 to 100 or more. This indicates they have experience and a proven track record. Aim for suppliers with a minimum rating of 4.5 stars to ensure reliability. Another essential step is to communicate directly with potential suppliers. Send them inquiries regarding their shipping times, warehouse locations, and return policies. This interaction will give you valuable insights into their responsiveness and professionalism. Pay attention to the clarity and quality of their communication, as effective communication is crucial for a successful partnership. Here are a few additional tips. Ensure your suppliers have global warehouses, particularly in the country where you plan to dropship. This helps to minimize shipping delays and potential disruptions. For instance, if you're dropshipping in the US, having a supplier with a warehouse there can significantly streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction. Step 3. Selecting your platform. Alright, now that we've covered product selection and supplier vetting, let's discuss where you can sell these products. Since we're focusing on starting dropshipping for free, we have several platform options to consider. Let's break down the main choices, ranging from the most expensive to completely free. The first option is Shopify. You can start with Shopify for as little as $1 for the first month, with subsequent monthly costs varying between $29 to $39 depending on your payment plan. Shopify allows you to build your own e-commerce website and provides robust tools for scaling your business. Next, there's TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop presents a promising opportunity due to its growing user base and engagement. Moving on to eBay. With eBay, you can create an account at no cost and only incur fees when you make a sale. It's a versatile platform that allows you to sell a wide range of products globally, with payment processing fees varying depending on the item. Each of these platforms has its own fee structures and target audiences. Understanding their differences and selecting the right platform based on your products and business goals is crucial for your dropshipping success. Step 4. Binding your store to Doba. Once your store is up and running, this is where Doba really shines. Simply click on the Connect a New Store button and install the Doba on your shopping cart platform. Doba integrates smoothly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, offering you flexibility and ease in managing your dropshipping business. With Doba, you gain access to a vast catalog of products sourced from wholesale suppliers. You can browse through over 700,000 products across various categories, including home, garden and tools, outdoors, sports, pets, beauty and health, electronics, and more. Once you've identified the products you want to sell, adding them to your store is straightforward. Simply select the products and customize pricing and profit margins to suit your business strategy. Doba automates the import of product photos and descriptions into your online store, saving you time and effort. When a customer places an order in your store, Doba handles the order processing behind the scenes. You pay Doba for the product using your registered credit card, and Doba notifies the supplier to fulfill the order and ship it directly to your customer. One of the standout features of Doba is its wide network of suppliers, which includes many who ship from the United States. This ensures faster delivery times, typically between 2 to 5 days for most items, compared to longer shipping times from international suppliers. Moreover, Doba's platform includes automated inventory updates and order processing, minimizing manual tasks and reducing the risk of overselling. This level of automation allows you to focus more on growing your business rather than managing logistics. Additionally, Doba provides robust customer support to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. The professional team is dedicated to helping you succeed in your dropshipping business by providing the latest product trends and top-quality suppliers. Integrating Doba into your dropshipping business not only expands your product offerings, but also streamlines operations, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to start or enhance their online store. And that's a wrap on our Zero Investment Dropshipping Guide. Remember, the key to success is finding the right product, partnering with a reliable supplier, and choosing the perfect platform. With Doba, you're already ahead of the game. Now, before you go, let me leave you with this. Doba offers a 14-day free trial. Drop us a comment with Dropshipping Simplified below, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial, so you can test the waters and see if dropshipping is the right fit for you. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of how to operate your dropshipping business like a pro. So what are you waiting for? Get out there. Let Doba help you turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Until next time, happy dropshipping!